Ivy's lost at sea. Wherever will she go? Hi, Ivy. What are you doing? Hey guys, today's the vlog I'm in the ocean, which is fun. We got out of school early today at like 12, so now I'm at the beach. Katrina's coming later, so that should be fun. Also, if the camera's kind of blurry, it's because I have my phone in the phone case, and it's kind of foggy inside of it, so I can't tell if the camera's blurry right now, but if it is, I apologize. Oh, hi, Dad. I don't know why the water always calms down right when I get my camera out. Maybe it doesn't like attention. Which is odd, because it usually waits. No.
Ready?
No.
360! 360!
You what?
I got through it.
There's Ivy. Hi, Ivy. Where's my camera set? I'm doing a BS. Did I get it? So I've been abused and robbed. They took my board.
Yeah.
Ivy, you can catch a wave.
No.
Guess not.
You can do it like
Go, go, go! Now it got me. Ivy, are you okay? Hey, Ivy, watch out! Ah, Ivy! Who's that? Your daughter's flying. Grandma, say hi to my vlog.
Let's say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Say hi, vlog.
Get ready. Bye, Grandma. Oh yeah, they're out here visiting for the week, which is fun.
Oh, this one.
Idiot. And Katrina's here!
It's okay.
Hey, shut up. Meeting of your brother. Katrina's here. I don't know if I ever talked about this. The camera's so wobbly. I don't know if I ever talked about this in any of my vlogs, but Katrina's family moved back to Idaho. So if you watch the Idaho vlog, that's why she's in it, because I saw her when I was there. But now she's out here to visit. She's been out here for a week to visit, and today's her last day. And we have hung out a couple times this week, but I never vlogged it. So here's Katrina. You're never going to see her again, because I want to kill her.
I'm moving back.
Oh, hopefully she's gonna move back. That'll be fun.
And then
I can't see what I'm filming right now, so it's probably not the greatest quality video.
You still live in your.
Hello. Today on the sun's really bright. Today on the vlog, I found baby chickens. Hello, chickens. They're hiding under their mom. It's okay. I don't want to hurt you. I just want to see your baby. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at the baby chickens. Jay, don't scare them. Idiot. Oh, they're so cute. Look at the baby chickens. it.